In this video, we'll learn the history of Tally. We'll come to know when Tally has launched into a market, all those things. So before going to understand all these things, so first we'll understand what is version and what is release in a Tally software. So if you come with a version will take a major changes in a software, and release will take a minor changes in a software, and even bugs will get resolved in the release files. Or release files is also called as a patch files to a version. In a simple words, a version will take a major changes in a software, and releases will go with a minor changes in a software. So who has introduced a Tally software? So Mr. S.S. Goenka in 1986, they have started Petronex Private Limited with the aim to use a computer for maintaining accounts. And later on his son Bharat Goenka in 1988, he has developed a commercial software which leads to a Petronex Private Limited has become a Tally Solution Private Limited. So these two people are a founder of a Tally software, SS Goenka and Bharat Goenka. So at present, more than 100 countries are using a Tally software. So Tally Solution Private Limited is Bangalore-based software company. So mainly used for their accounting and to prepare their financial statements and taxations in their organizations. To maintain all those things, a firm will going to opt a Tally softwares, and it is one of a leading accounting software in India. So we'll see one by one what are the versions they have got and in which year they have launched all those things. So the first version is Tally 4.5, which is released in 1988. So it was operated in DOS mode. So DOS stands for Disk Operating System, which is a command user interface. So need to write the command for each process. Proper execution was impossible for wrong command, and it was very slow in a process. We used to wait for a longer time to pass a single transaction. So in this version, we used to maintain only accounts, and there are limited reports was available like balance sheet, P&L, trial balance, and even your outstanding reports were available in Tally 4.5. Not much reports was available in Tally 4.5, and only this version was used in DOS mode. So later on, whatever the versions we got in Tally, so all the versions as operated in MS Office. So next version we come with Tally 5.4, which has been released in 1988. So which has been operated in Windows mode. So only 4.5 was operated in DOS, and later on whatever the releases and the versions we got, so everything has been operated with MS Office and even with the help of Windows. So in this, each things will be represented in icon or a picture format. So no need to type a command or remember the command what we have used in 4.5. It has been simplified. So you can go with a simple English to pass the transactions and to see our reports. And it was easy to understand and process with a software. And in this we are able to maintain accounts as well as even our inventory. So both has been implemented in Tally 5.4. And we come with the option called data export and import, where you can copy your data from other system and you can import to the other system data. So this option has been provided in Tally 5.4. So next we come with a version 6.3, which has been released in 2001. So in this version, Tally has started operating and connecting with our MS Excel also. with the help of ODBC option. ODBC stands for Open Database Connectivity. With this help, you can link our Tally reports to our Excel database. Without giving any command in a Tally software, you can go to an Excel sheet and you can use a Tally ODBC option in our Excel sheet, and you can pull whatever the data you want from Tally to Excel. And email facilities has been provided. You can send any invoices or any reports directly from this software instead of log into your email account. So no need to go to a Gmail, give a email ID, password and attach a file and send. Not required. So you can directly give a email command and you can send an email through Tally 6.3. And we have also come with some advanced inventory options in this version. So next we come with Tally 7.2, which is released in 2005. So in this version, we come with a taxation part like CST, which is also called as Central Sales Tax, VAT, Value Added Tax, TDS, Tax Deducted at Source, ST, Service Tax. So all this has got implemented in Tally 7.2. If you ask why this has not implemented in our version 4.5 itself, our reason is in 2005, from 1st April 2005, a VAT and CST has got implemented in India. So at that time, for each and every business, it has become mandatory that they have to show a tax in their invoices. At present, they are showing GST. So in 2005, they used to show a CGST and VAT in their bill. So immediately Tally has brought a taxation part into a Tally. So even before that, we had a TDS, but that was not much popular and everyone was depending on the chartered accountant, tax consultant. So Tally people have not much concentrated on a taxation part. When a VAT has got implemented, so immediately they have come with all the taxation part and they have given to our customers from the day one itself when the VAT was implemented. So next we come with our version 8.1, which is released in 2006. So in this version, Tally started supporting with multi-languages, where if you want to operate a Tally in Kannada, you can operate, which means to operate a Tally software, so you no need to require to learn a English language. You can change a software language to your preferable language and you can use it. So in Tally 8.1, almost all Indian regional languages has been introduced in this software, and they also come with a taxation like FBT, Freight Benefit Tax, VCD, VAT Composite Dealer, ED, Excise Dealer. So all this taxation has been implemented in Tally 8.1. So next we come with Tally 9, which is released in 2006. So even in this, some more languages has been introduced, and with international languages also like Arabic, etc. And also there are some updation has been taken place in taxation. They have come with a TCS option, which is tax collected at source, and we come with a new options called POS, which is also called as point of sale, which has been used in the supermarkets like Big Bazaar, Reliance, even in your petrol banks and even in your hotel industries. We use a POS transaction, a point of sale. And we also come with a job costing and a payroll. Payroll is used for your salary calculations like basic salary, HRA, DA, PF, ESI, PT, all these things has been implemented in Tally 9. So later on we come with Tally ERP 9. So we come with a remote access, where you can access your data anywhere in the world with the help of remote access with a valid TSS. And we have a control center option where you can manage your license details yourself instead of giving a call to a customer care. So you can control your license with the help of control center. And even the support center option has been given here. You can raise the queries to our customer care by using this support center option instead of giving a call. And you can also protect with a security control. You can give a password for your data and you can secure your data so that the third party cannot access your data and it cannot check your transactions and your financial reports. You can secure your data by giving a passwords. And the taxation updates has taken place with excise duty for manufacturer, and even in the same version we also got a GST. Our GST has implemented in 2017. So immediately Tally has come with a GST option in the same version. So next, now we are into a Tally Prime, which has been released in 2020 on November 9th. It has been released on November 9th, 2020. So it has been simplified your Tally ERP9. It insightful business reports, and you have a multitasking capability in Tally Prime. And we have a go-to feature where you can access any report from any screen without navigating it. And you can access your data online by using a trib. And you have a secure data options has been provided in Tally Prime. So these are the features has been implemented in Tally Prime. So we'll just glance whatever the versions we have discussed now. So the first version was Tally 4.5, which has been released in 1988. Next we come with Tally 5.4, which has been released in 1998. So it has taken 10 years gap to give a new version. So next we come with Tally 6.3 in 2001. Later on we come with Tally 7.2 in 2005. Next we come with Tally 8.1 in 2006. Then Tally 9.0 in the same year 2006, and Tally ERP9 in 2009. So ERP stands for Enterprises Resource Planning. Tally ERP stands for Tally Enterprise Resource Planning, which has come in 2009, and now we are using Tally Prime. So these are the versions and the roadmap how a Tally has come into a market and how they have occupied a accounting software market in India. And Tally is one of the leading software in India. Thank you.